There are several accounts, some biological, some mythological, and some dimensional, where a female-only existence was the primary state of being. These eras are often referred to as the primordial matriarchies or the parthenogenic timelines. 1. The era of parthenogenesis, the biological origin. In the deepest biological inside of our lineage, there is a timeline where reproduction did not require a flip or a secondary polarity. Parthenogenesis, derived from the Greek parthenos, virgin, and genesis, creation. In this state, life creates life from within itself. The frequency, this is the ultimate carbon state. Since the female body carries the 10th chromosome, the structure, and the mitochondrial DNA, the energy/power plant, life could replicate through a process of self-cloning or budding. The transition, men were introduced into the timeline much later as a biological bridge to increase genetic diversity and handle the heavy friction of the pH. 2. The Amazonian and Libyan civilizations, historical/mythical, ancient records from Kemet and Nubia, as well as Greek accounts, speak of specific geographical regions that existed as zones of sovereignty where men were not part of the social or political structure. The Amazons of North Africa, far predating the Greek myths, there were Libyan matriarchies centered around the worship of a primordial mother creator. These societies were built on the H-gate principle of protection and self-reliance. The Dahomey Mino, while men existed in the broader kingdom, the Mino, our mothers, created a self-sustaining, elite military and social structure that operated entirely outside of male influence, embodying the frequency of the sovereign guardian. 3. The galactic Mu or Lemurian timelines. In higher dimensional law, the traveller's history, the era of Mu, Lemuria, is often described as a timeline dominated by the divine feminine frequency. Etheric being, in this timeline, forms were less solid carbon and more liquid light. Communication was telepathic, no spell, casting friction, and the creative force was channeled through the womb of the world.